Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Red color, silver color, silver color, orange color, orange color, light green color, white color, white color, blue color, blue color, light pink color, brown color, brown color, dark pink color, dark pink color. Stay with us. Dark green color, black color, sky blue color, yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Purple color. Today we draw writing alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Orange color. 1. First we draw and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Dark pink color, the alphabet of G. The next one is H for hand. I for eyes. J for jackfruit. K, L. The next one is M for moon, M for mango. Light pink color. N for nose, N for nest. O. The next one is P. Q. R for rice. The next one is S for snake. T. The next one is U. Yellow color. V. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. The last one is Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Numbers 2, 1. The next one is 2. Dark green color, exactly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last one is 10. Today we draw alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.